Badlapur came alive with vibrant energy and festive cheer as one of the biggest Dahi Handi celebrations of the year took place in the city, drawing massive crowds and creating an unforgettable atmosphere. The grand event was organized by Rohan Patil, the youth president of Shiv Sena Badlapur Shinde Wing, who led the initiative with great enthusiasm and vision. With a staggering prize amount of rupees 25,55,555, this year's celebration turned into a magnet for top Govinda Pathaks. Thousands of enthusiastic spectators gathered at the venue where the air buzzed with music, cheers, and cultural performances. Human pyramids soared high into the sky as the Govinda teams displayed incredible skill, courage, and coordination. The Dahi Handi event wasn't just a competition, it was a true celebration of Maharashtra's rich culture, youth unity, and festive tradition. Under the capable leadership of Rohan Patil, the entire event was organized with meticulous planning, ensuring security, smooth logistics, and engaging entertainment for the public. Speaking to PV News, Patil stated, "This is our comeback for the giant events and we will continue it." His words reflect a renewed commitment to organizing large-scale cultural celebrations and keeping the spirit thriving in the region. From dazzling performances to a dramatic prize distribution and celebratory fireworks, the Badlapur Dahi Handi Utsav 2025 stood out as a landmark celebration. It not only showcased local talent and community spirit but also reinforced the growing influence of young leadership in shaping the cultural landscape. PV News congratulates Rohan Patil and his entire team for organizing a truly memorable and impactful event.
We are at Badlapur, a biggest Dahandi Utsav in Badlapur of rupees 25,55,555. Today we are with Rohan Patil sir at Badlapur, and we will have conversation with them how they organize this event and how they are making this successful. So today you have organized the Dahandi Utsav at Badlapur of rupees 25,55,555. So how you got this concept and what inspiration you got to organize this event?
Actually, you must be not knowing about it, but my uncle Prakash Patil, Sundas Patil, they used to organize this Dahi Handi from last 25 years. And there was a shortage of space, that's why we, and also because of COVID, we did not do it for 4 to 5 years. But this time, me and my friends of Yuva Badlapur, all the members of Yuva Badlapur, we made this decision that this time we are going to continue all the events like Dahi Handi, Holi, Navratri, so that people of Badlapur don't have to go outside the Badlapur to look the big handis.
Great, really great. I'm feeling really great that he had organized the best and huge big Dahandi Utsav at Badlapur. My second question is that you have organized this Dahandi, but what precautions and safety you are taking at Badlapur for Govinda Pathaks?
Definitely the safety is our first priority. So we have arranged the 2 safety belts. Rest of Govindas you can see there is only 1 safety, but we have arranged the 2 safety belts, and also the flooring is of concrete, so there are many chances of injury. Once the pathak falls, there is a lot of chance of injury. That's why we have arranged the rubber mat, so that by any chance, unfortunately someone is falling from the top, there is no chance of injury. We have arranged the ambulance, we have arranged all the first aid kit, so that that any Govinda Pathak is getting hurt, we are like, the main thing is their safety.
Really great. You have taken so much safety precautions for a Govinda Pathak. So my third question is that in coming years, you think that you will increase the price and the event will be more big?
Definitely. This is our first year after a long time. So this is our comeback. So we have made the best arrangement as we can. But next time, definitely, it will be the giant event. You can see most of the Bollywood actors over there.
Oh, really great. And really, I can say that today is also, this is a giant event. but sure, Badlapurkar will wait for future event. It will be a giant with a Bollywood star also. So today we have conversation with Rohan Patil sir, who had organized the best and biggest Dahandi Utsav at Badlapur.